Okay, so I don't know why I am still vlogging slash filming when I'm almost late for my train, but the content, I guess. No, but yeah, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Chien, and in this video we're going to Munich. I actually went there alone because my parents already went the day before, and I had to stay behind because I still had midterm. So it was kind of scary to figure out where I had to go and which train I had to take, but it turned out fine. But yeah, enjoy the scenery of Munich. So we're now at the Chinese garden or something, I don't know. So my brothers just bought us some apfelstrudel. 6 euros for one. I know, but it's kind of expensive for what it is, but it's really good. Dan lijkt het op normale appeltaart, maar dan gewoon zo met zout en warm. Nee? Niet helemaal. Low-key? Bro, size comparison, what the hell?
Mày cầm theo đấy đó, còn mày hình bratwurst.
The bratwurst is like really good. Okay, so we're now just like walking like a park, I guess. But yeah, there's a lot of people playing volleyball. So yeah, I kind of want to join, but it's kind of weird. So maybe later. Trời lạnh ghê. So we're now going to the Eibsee, and it's famous for the river that flows underneath this bridge because it creates a continuous flow of waves. Which is very handy for surfing, so a lot of people bring their gear here and surf on these waves, while other tourists just stand aside and watch them do the tricks and show off what they can do. It's definitely worth to check it out if you have time, so I recommend going. So we are currently at the Hofbauhaus, which is like kind of like a restaurant. It's really special because of like the ceiling. It's really beautiful. It has a lot of echo, so yeah, it's kind of difficult to talk. And also after 7 p.m. there will be like a live band, but you know, with this echo, it will just be too loud. Says my brother, so I don't know yet, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we just ordered. Now we're gonna wait for our food. So yeah, it's already morning. I actually just didn't film anything because I was so tired yesterday. But yeah, now we are just exploring the city because my brother has classes. We were at the Olympic Games place, I don't know, where they held the Olympic Games in 1974. It's really cold. I think it's like about 8 degrees, so we have a really good view of like the whole city, like up on this hill. So yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, now we're walking up the hill to get an even better view. So đây có sạp.
Cho rằng 4 đồng.
Cái 4 đồng. Này chắc đường.
So we just got coffee and yeah, just walked around like the farmers market, and it's really peaceful. So. Sao mùi gì mà sữa hả? Chúng nó chưa focus gì chứ?
Nó đói bụng mà nó focus.
This place smells so good, like sweetness of milk or something. I don't know. It's kind of crazy.
Lâu.
So we just made it to like this gate-ish thing. It's like kind of like 14th century place, restored. I don't know. Yeah. I know nothing about it, so sorry. So we currently are at like a Vietnamese first stop, a restaurant, and it's decorated really beautiful. So that's already a good point. And also the prices are kind of cheap. So. Yeah, so we're currently at the train going to the hiking destination. Also, this is last full day here in Munich. We're going up to the mountain. Okay, so we just arrived at like our hiking spot, I guess. Yeah, and now we're going hiking. I love hiking, like granola bar aesthetic, like corpcore. Yeah, we've never hiked before actually as a family. I mean, we've hiked before, but I don't think in this like cold weather, like this autumn, it's like really beautiful. Like it's so like orange, yellow, green, like the moss, like it's literally like in the movies or something. Oh, it's kind of steep. Snow. There was a really like place to sit, and then you have like a view on like the lake.
Anders gaat het gewoon direct naar beneden vallen. Off play. Stand op.
We're gonna try and go all the way really crazy stuff. But yeah, it's kind of snowing. I'm scared that my camera will like die because of the snow. Yeah, that's where we are at. It's literally like a snow forest. Like we are in a different country. Snow is like really thick. Sheesh. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Bruh. Okay. We literally have zero view because yeah, all trees and also there's just no view. But there's like a little hut. Pizza Hut. So the holidays will be in my home front door. The positive path. Literally, this makes me so happy, and I'm like more hyped for Christmas. Okay, apparently we are already at like Austria. But yeah, we're gonna keep walking because there's like a hut where they sell like warm food and you know, just like someplace warm. So yeah, because it's kind of cold and we're kind of all tired. So I literally saw like a deer, but he went away. This view is really amazing. I don't know if you guys can see well, but there's the whole mountain and then like the trees here. Damn. It's literally like only snow. Finally we see this. Only 500 meters and then we'll be there.
Chắc cũng nóng rồi đúng không? Cappuccino. Sô-cô-la nóng rồi.
Sô-cô-la nóng.
I live in the moment.
Okay, let us spit. Okay, thank you. So.
Yeah, we're going back and it's snowing much less this time, so I can film a little bit more. It literally looks like that we're walking in like a jungle. It's like adventure time.
Tiếc mấy chú lùm á, nhìn chỗ này đó.
Hello.
Hả? Thôi. Này.
It's steep. So this lake is really famous. It's called the lake Eibsee, I think. And yeah, most people that go hike here would often go see this lake first and then hike later. But we did the exact opposite, which was not really smart because when we were actually at the lake, the sun was already down, so you couldn't really see anything. But you know, still being here, you know, at this spot, we got a great view of the lake and we could still enjoy what the lake could offer us. Woo!